What's up, guys? I just got home, looked at the charts, and what a beautiful sight to behold. Terra Classic popping off. Let's check it out. Look at this. Big pump here in the last hour or so, last 2 hours, and we are fighting with this resistance here at 31 for quite some time, and we just smashed through it. Let's zoom out a bit so you can see better. So as you can see, we got rejected here, and now third time's the charm. Broke right through it, and literally seconds away from closing this 4-hourly candle well above the resistance. Here it goes. All right, so we closed that candle above the resistance. So this is a very bullish sign, and this is what we needed to see. We needed to break through this resistance, close a 4-hourly candle up here, and this indicates we could continue this pump and go up into an uptrend here. And actually, how high could this go? Well, we don't have much resistance. Up until 45 would be the next major resistance. So good chance we could actually pump all the way back up to 45. Now, there might be a little resistance around this point, around 37, but it shouldn't be too much. The big resistance will be 45. So yeah, we could have a nice little pump here. We could be going back into an uptrend actually, and crazy stuff. I did not expect the price to be starting to go back up this soon. I was thinking more likely we'd see something more long and drawn out like this, which is still a possibility, but right now it's looking pretty bullish. Like we could have at least some sort of pump here. So yeah, if we zoom in here on the 1 hour, broke through nicely. Now we may come back down temporarily to retest this level to see if it acts as support now that we're above it. And if we come down, retest it, see another bounce, then that is also a very good sign, confirming this breakout, and we should keep heading up. Now, of course, if we come down and break right back through, then that would nullify this, and we'll just keep going sideways. But right now it's looking bullish. We closed the 4-hourly candle with some nice volume. Well, not huge volume, but decent volume above this level. So should see the pump continuing. If we zoom way back out again, yeah, so we might see something like this. Now, I'm not saying, this isn't saying we're for sure going back to, all-time highs higher than this. It may just go up to 45 and then come back down and keep going sideways, but at least we should see some sort of nice pump here. And yeah, higher high looks like a higher low, so this is good. And I mean, crazy stuff, because the whole crypto market is pretty much in the red today. And I mean, we're in the middle of a bull market. We're like in the depths of the bear market. And yeah, Terra Luna doesn't care, just keeps pumping. We had this pump here, another huge pump here. We're starting to go back up again. And yeah, we're up hundreds of percent from just like a month ago. So pretty crazy stuff. I mean, if we look at Bitcoin's been doing nothing, going sideways still, and slightly down today. Daily candle just closed, went slightly down. And yeah, I mean, we're probably getting near the end of this bear market. We've been in a bear market for about 10, 11 months now, so should be getting near the end. All the bear markets only lasted about a year, and they all ended in either December or November. So good chance we're getting close to the end. We might see one more big dump for the whole crypto market, and then things might start going up. And I mean, the fact that Terra Classic is pumping like this during a bear market is super bullish. Imagine once we get back into a bull market and all the money starts flowing back into crypto, it'll make it way easier for Terra Classic to pump even more. Make it actually pretty, I mean, if we go into a bull market, it'll make getting to a cent pretty easy. I mean, we saw things like Dogecoin go up to like 70 billion market cap, which if Terra Classic went up to a 70 billion market cap, it would be at a cent and wouldn't even need any burning to do that. If it got to that market cap, it would be at a cent. So yeah, should be big things coming. We might even get to a tenth of a cent this year during the bear market, and then next year we might get to a cent, and eventually could possibly get all the way to $1. So yeah, volume went way down yesterday, but it's starting to pick back up now with this pump. And yeah, we'll see if this pump can continue. It's looking great. I mean, we have the Binance burn results coming out in about a day or two, about a day and a half. So yeah, we'll see how much the burns actually are on Binance. If they're a lot more than expected, then that could definitely cause the price to pump more. Now, if they're way less than expected, then that might cause a sell-off. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, I mean, there's also been a lot of rumors around Coinbase relisting Terra Classic. The community's been putting a lot of pressure on Coinbase to relist it. So yeah, maybe we're getting this pump going in anticipation of that. Some people are even saying Coinbase might be buying Terra Classic, getting ready to list it. Of course, if people are anticipating a pump from Coinbase listing it, then that could cause, you know how it is, buy the rumor, sell the news. So when there's good rumors like that, usually causes prices to pump. So, but yeah, here in the short term, beautiful little pump here, finally broke this resistance, and good chance we could now head all the way up to 45. So good stuff. We'll see what these actual burns are from Binance here in a few days. So stay tuned, guys. Like, subscribe, share the video, hit the notification bell, all the things. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see y'all later.